According to latest media reports, there will be no effect on the arrival of the first batch of 4 Rafale fighter jets in India, but reports indicate that the future deliveries can get affected. The production of Rafale fighter jet has been stopped by the French manufacturer Dassault Aviation till 31 March, and this will create a backlog for the fighter jet manufacturer, while the Indian Air Force personnel are currently training at 6 different places in France. As per latest reports, India has started the work to develop a dry Kaveri core-derivated engine, which will power India's first autonomous stealth unmanned combat air vehicle. The DRDO has been provided with 1,068 crore rupees for the program. The engine will be modified, and its afterburners will be removed, and it will have a dry thrust of 52 kN to power a 15-ton stealth unmanned combat air vehicle. The Ministry of Defence has come with a new provision called the Draft Defence Procurement Procedure 2020, which will allow the formal leasing of critical equipment from a friendly nation. It is to be noted that India had signed a $3 billion contract in March 2019 for the lease of an Akula-class nuclear-powered submarine from Russia for a period of 10 years. Another new category called the Buy Global and Manufacture in India has been introduced, under which the outright purchase of equipment from foreign vendors is allowed, but it should have 50% indigenous content and the balance has to be manufactured in India, which will also help in attracting investments in the defense industrial corridors. A roadmap for defense industries cooperation between India and South Korea was exchanged during the bilateral meeting between the defense minister of both the countries, which lists a number of possible areas of cooperation in land-based combat systems, naval and aero systems, joint research and development, as well as to promote investment and technology transfer in defense industrial corridors. The U.S. Department of Defense has announced that it has successfully tested an unarmed hypersonic platform, during which it flew more than 5 times the speed of sound to a designated impact point. Vice Admiral Johnny Wolf has said that the test was done to validate the design, and the US is now ready to move to the next phase, towards fielding a hypersonic strike capability. The US military is also pouring money into research in advanced air defense systems to counter the hypersonic platforms of Russia and China. The Indian Defence Minister has said that the global economic situation would affect all nations, but he also ruled out any impact on India's defence procurement, as the global economy could improve in the next 3 to 5 months. India exported defence equipments worth 10,745 crore rupees in 2018, which is a growth of more than 700% from 2016, which have been made possible after reviewing the defense export policy and streamlining the procedure for granting export permission to both public and private sector companies.